Hello team, good morning. My name is Venkat. Okay, in the last video we have observed that how to upgrade the Sccm console from 1902 to 1906. Now let's start upgrading 1906 to 1910. See, before we are starting, we must make sure that configuration manager 1910 is available or not to download it. Actually 1910 is available from 1806. Those who are running on 1806, they are able to get this 1910. If any reasons, any cause, if you are not getting this 1910, you just download the fostering configuration manager fostering one, this one, PS. Okay, I have downloaded it and I ran it using PowerShell. You just use the PowerShell command, just right click here, okay, and run with PowerShell command. That's all. Then refresh here. Yeah, it's automatically appeared here. Okay, so before running this one, we make sure that taking backup is done. Okay, just backup is really important. Okay, once backup is done, then you can move to the next level. Let's see. First let's download this one. It won't take much time. If you want to see that process of the downloading, you can see this log, dmp downloaded.log. Okay, once it is downloaded, then we can start prerequisite check first. If prerequisite check pass, then we will move to the installation of 1910. Still checking for updates. This can take okay, just give it some time. Go to DWP downloader. Anything. Okay, upgrade, skipping. Okay. Okay, just give it time. Time being, please make sure that no issues with your site servers. Okay, nothing. So just make sure that all these checklists passed. Go to checklist for installing update 1910. Check everything is good. Yes, my .NET framework is already installed 4.5. So configuration manager, no need to install this one. Automatically it will go. Okay, SQL Server native client already installed. Chetan, wait. Yeah. Okay, and go to replication analyzer. Make sure that no database issues.